5 Best User Reviews of the BLACK+DECKER 14,000 BTUs Portable Air Conditioner with Remote Control, White. Enjoy a comfortable home climate with this versatile BLACK+DECKER unit. It cools, dehumidifies, and circulates air to stand up to summer heat. Real users share their experience. Number 5. Great Air Conditioner, BTU. 5-star. Play video. Great quality air conditioner. Just moved to NYC and this is my first time with an external air conditioner. I've had central AC my whole life, so I was a little nervous on how to install and hoping I would get a good one, but I'm so glad I got this one, BTU. Number 1, Might Catch Fire, Daryl Lee Heath. 1 star. Very scary that the plug started smoking and got a hole in it. I am so glad I was home when this happened because it could have been a full-on fire. I don't recommend this if this is what it does. My wall plug has never had a problem with anything else I have ever plugged in. Daryl Lee Heath. Number 4. Love this portable AC unit, Joe. 4 star. Cools the room fast, looks great, doesn't need to have the water emptied so often. Maybe once or twice during a hot season. Easy to install and set up, Joe. Number 3. Good, Not Great, B. Adams. Number 5. Works amazing, good for single room use. Right A. 5 star. I love this machine. It is a literal lifesaver. You do need to vent it through a window, which is easy for me and I can't put hardly anything together, but otherwise super simple setup. I used it in a medium-sized casita and in my son's bedroom side. Our AC in our apartment is crap. Right A. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.